at your feet, I lay it all down. My hopes, my fears, my dreams, my crown. No greater place, no sweeter peace than resting in your love's release. Here at your feet I find my rest. Your mercy holds me, I am blessed. Here at your feet I surrender all. I hear you whisper, I heed your call. My life, my heart, my all I bring. Here at your feet I worship my King.